Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we will be discussing about rum. So, let's start with the history. So, rum is believed to have originated in the Caribbean islands. So, it is basically connected with the Caribbean island. So, this is important. Caribbean island countries. So, they are the main rum producer, quality rum producers, particularly in the West Indies, as evidence of the record have been found from Barbados around 1650. Barbados भी एक country है जहाँ से इसके records मिले हैं 1650 से, that rum is mentioned in that records. It is believed to have originated from rum bullion. rum bullion एक टर्मिनोलॉजी है जिससे ये भी बिलीव किया जाता है कि rum का जो नाम है rum bullion से आया, जिसका मतलब है अप्रोर, किसी भी तरह का हंगामा करना, the particular meaning. Some argue that the term is related with huge drinking glass used by Dutch called rummers, and some people say that it is related to a rummer. Rummer एक ग्लास का नाम था which was huge, और इसके ऊपर ग्लास के कुछ pieces joints थे to give a grip. So some people prefer that it is the name has come from this glass, which was later simply termed as rum. So it is not clear history of the rum, so there are different stories. So these are the Caribbean countries as you see, and they are the main producer of the rum, like Jamaica and Cuba and Santiago. All these are good rum producers. This is your West Indies. Between the North America and South America, these are the countries which produce rum. So here, today rum is manufactured in nearly all sugar producing region of the world. जहाँ पर भी शुगर केन और शुगर इंडस्ट्री है, so rum is being produced because rum is made by the byproduct of sugar industry. Sugar industry में जितनी भी शुगर बन रही हैं, they are having this molasses which is used for producing rum. So rum is a distilled beverage made from sugarcane product like molasses. So molasses is important. So it is made, very less rum are made by fresh sugarcane juice. जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं गन्ने के जूस से बना है, it is not गन्ने का जूस, it is the molasses left over from the sugar industry. जितनी भी शुगर मिल्स हैं उनमें आफ्टर मेकिंग द शुगर जो मोलासिस एक बाई प्रोडक्ट बचता है, so that is fermented and converted into rum. Production of rum. So firstly the sugarcane is harvested and crushed to remove the juice. During the process of making sugar, we get a byproduct called molasses, which forms the base of most rum. जैसा कि पहले बोला है कि molasses यूज़ किया जाता है रम को बनाने के लिए. So if we talk about production process, first of all, cutting the cane. So mature sugar cane is harvested by hand or by machine. After that, weighing. The weight of the cane will tell the distiller how much rum to extract. Number three is crushing. Then it is crushed. The crushing extract the sugar cane juice from the sugar cane. तो उसके बाद में क्रशिंग की जाती है, एंड क्रशिंग इज इंडस्ट्रियल लेवल विच रिमूव्स अबाउट 80 85 to 90% जूस जो हम बाहर देखते हैं क्रश करने के लिए. दोज मशीन्स कैन नॉट एक्सट्रैक्ट दैट मच जूस, बट इंडस्ट्री लेवल पे जब हम देखते हैं तो इट रिमूव्स अ लॉट ऑफ जूस फ्रॉम द शुगर केन. नाउ द जूस इज देन बॉइल्ड. इसको बॉयल किया जाता है और क्रिस्टलाइज किया जाता है. तो शुगर इंडस्ट्री में जितनी भी शुगर मिल्स हैं उसके अंदर इसको क्रिस्टलाइज किया जाता है. जो हम शुगर देखते हैं चीनी अपने घर में, सो दैट इज क्रिस्टलाइज्ड, वो क्रिस्टल्स हैं. सो दैट क्रिस्टल्स आर देन एक्सट्रैक्टेड. उन क्रिस्टल्स को निकाला जाता है और उनको ट्रीटेड किया जाता है, साफ किया जाता है, और एंड यूज डोमेस्टिकली, एंड इट इज़ यूज एज शुगर. Finally, when there is no more sugar to be crystallized, what is left over is thick, black, gooey, sweet liquid called molasses. So, this after extracting the crystals, leftover product is molasses. Now, this molasses is useless and it can be used best to produce alcohol. So, that will be fermented because still there is a sugar, and then it is distilled to increase the alcoholic content. द मोलेसिस इज हीटेड अगेन. फिर इसको दोबारा से गर्म किया जाता है. येट डार्क थिक लिक्विड कॉल्ड डंडर. एंड डंडर रेफर्स टू रिड्यूस लेफ्ट रेजिड्यू left in the still from the previous batch which is used for further distillation. So इसको दोबारा से बॉयल किया जाता है, दोबारा से गर्म किया जाता है और थिक लिक्विड बनाया जाता है जिसमें कि फर्मेंटेशन करके इसको वाइन बनाया जाएगा. Then comes the fermentation. Now it is sent for fermentation, and after 48 hours it will become cane wine. Then it is called cane wine. 4.5% only. But rums are higher alcohol, so then it will be distilled, which is distilled mostly by patent still, और patent still से इसको distill किया जाएगा. Patent still is a continuous still, so I have made the video also. If you want to watch what is the process in patent still, it is continuously multiple times distillation again and again, which increase the alcohol content of the liquid to a higher level. So there are two types of fermentation here for the rum. One is quick fermentation. So there are different yeast which is used for fermenting. So within 2 days you get a light flavored rum. अगर आपको light flavor rum चाहिए cocktail के अंदर use करने के लिए और without any color and flavor, so then it is quick fermentation. If you need a flavor, some flavorful, then you will use the slow fermentation. So that is 12 days fermentation, dark and heavy flavored rum you will get. Another thing depend is distillation. आफ्टर फर्मेंटेशन द प्रोसेस इज डिस्टिलेशन. फर्मेंटेशन के बाद में आप इसको डिस्टिलेशन करेंगे. अगर डिस्टिलेशन नहीं पता है तो आप डिस्टिलेशन का पता करिए. डिस्टिलेशन एक प्योर करने का मेथड है. अल्कोहल को बॉयल करते हैं और उसको कंडेंस करके दोबारा से हम उसको कंसनट्रेट करते हैं. तो डिस्टिलेशन होता है पॉट स्टिल डिस्टिलेशन और पेटेंट स्टिल. दो तरीके हैं इसके, पॉट स्टिल से, पॉट एंड पेटेंट स्टिल. पॉट से जो हम डिस्टिलेशन करते हैं डार्कर रम्स के लिए करते हैं, फ्लेवरफुल रम्स के लिए करते हैं, बिकॉज पॉट स्टिल से किया हुआ डिस्टिलेशन से जो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है उसमें रॉ मटेरियल के फ्लेवर्स रहते हैं. पेटेंट स्टिल से किसी भी तरह का फ्लेवर नहीं रहता है, वो प्योर एक लाइट रम बनाता है. So there are two methods depending on the product you want. It will be distilled for distillation. Then it is sent for maturation if required. Rum is commonly matured in bourbon cask. So what is bourbon cask? Bourbon is a whiskey, and they use fresh oak barrels. Okay, and after use, they sell these cask to people who wants to mature their alcohol in that. So bourbon cask अगर ये यूज हुआ हुआ खरीदेंगे तो it will be cheaper. So they use bourbon cask and they get some flavor also, bourbon whiskey flavor into the rum. So that is the reason why they are using bourbon cask, because they are expensive. So if you use every time fresh cask, so they use bourbon cask. The aging determines the color. Aging से आपका कलर आता है, तो जितना ज़्यादा एजिंग होगा उतना डार्क कलर आएगा. तो कलर इज़ नॉट लाइक वी ऐड सम कलर इन टू डार्क रम. तो जो भी कलर आता है, जो डिस्टिलेशन के बाद में जो स्पिरिट बनती है, दैट इज़ ऑलवेज वाइट ट्रांसपेरेंट. सो द कलर कम्स फ्रॉम द एजिंग. So light rum aged for 3 months, golden rum aged for 18 months, and dark rum aged for 3 years and more. It is matured in charred oak barrels. Now this term charred oak barrel, what is charred oak barrel? Charred is burned, जिसको अंदर से जलाया हुआ है. एक लकड़ी का बैरल है, उसको अंदर से बर्न करते हैं, और बर्न करने के बाद में जब वो ऑलमोस्ट कोयला बन जाता है अंदर, फिर उसके अंदर ये लिक्विड भर के, रम भर के रखते हैं, विच गेट्स अ वेरी नाइस स्मोकी फ्लेवर इनटू द रम एंड विस्की. विस्की के अंदर भी यूज़ किया जाता है, बर्बन विस्की में स्पेशली यूज़ किया जाता है चार्ड ओक बैरल. नेक्स्ट इज द ब्लेंडिंग. इफ इट रिक्वायर दैट नीड टू बी ब्लेंड, पिछले रखे हुए बैचेस से या किसी और रम से उसको ब्लेंड किया जाएगा उसका फ्लेवर कंसिस्टेंट करने के लिए. कंसिस्टेंट मतलब एवरी टाइम वी आर सेंडिंग इन द मार्केट द सेम टाइप ऑफ फ्लेवर, इट इज़ नॉट चेंजिंग. Then comes the bottling. Then once the rum has matured and been filtered, it is ready for bottling. Next, if we talk about type of rum, so we have light rum, which are transparent and the light flavored, and they use in cocktails. Golden rum, which has a little bit pale color, gold color, and they enjoy it with soda or neat because they have some flavor of their own. And dark rum, of course, they will be drunk neat to enjoy the flavor because they have been distilled by pot still method, and they have raw material flavor, they have long fermentation, so they have a lot of flavors, smoky flavor, all these things to enjoy. So we cannot just add with some cola and add with some juice or in cocktail. So it is best enjoyed vintage rum year, and which is aged for a longer period of time. Spiced rum, which has some spice flavor added into it. And then kasasha is made by the fresh sugarcane juice. Sugarcane का जो fresh juice है, it is not made by um, molasses, so it is made by the fresh sugarcane juice. So if we see light rum, what is light rum? We can call it white rum or silver rum. Light rum has very little flavor, बहुत कम flavor होता है, and no color, and usually used in cocktail. That is the reason they are used in cocktail. Produced mainly in Puerto Rico, Cuba, Virgin Island, Barbados, Trinidad. So these are the area it is produced. Next is the golden rum or pale rum or amber rum. Medium bodied. Now what is body? Body is the viscosity of the beverage, how thick the liquid is. तो जितना ज़्यादा इसको मैच्योर किया जाएगा उतना ज़्यादा इसकी बॉडी हैवी होगी. ओके, जितना ज़्यादा इसको आप पॉट स्टिल मेथड से डिस्टिलेशन करेंगे, इट विल हैव अ हैवियर बॉडी. So this is medium body because it has been matured for some time. So medium body. And अगर आप white rum की देखेंगे, it will have light body. And if you talk about dark rum, then it will have heavier body. So body is a terminology which is used for beverage. सभी beverage के लिए use होती है, whether it is wine or it is whiskey or it is rum. So body means the heaviness of the liquid. So how heavy it is, whether it is like skimmed milk or it is just like water or it is like full cream milk. That is the only difference. It is not very heavy. So this is the terminology. This is the term which is used for denoting the heaviness or viscosity of the beverage. So these rums are medium bodied, which are generally aged in oak barrel, can obtain its flavor through addition of spices. These are aged several years. These rums are usually enjoyed neat or on the rocks. This has been discussed. Popular cocktails made by Golden Rum is Mai Tai. And if we talk about brands, so Bacardi Gold, which is from Puerto Rico. Now we talk about the dark rum, also called black rum. इनको ब्लैक रम भी बोला जाता है. हैवी होती हैं, ऑफ कोर्स एक पॉट स्टिल मेथड से बनी है और उसके बाद में वैसे भी स्लो फर्मेंटेशन से बनी है. तो दे हैव लॉट ऑफ फ्लेवर्स एंड लॉट ऑफ कलर फ्रॉम द एजिंग, एंड पंजेंट हैं एंड फ्लेवरसम है. जनरली एज लॉन्गर इन हैवी चार्ड बैरल्स के अंदर है, तो स्मोकी फ्लेवर भी है. Produced mainly in Jamaica, Demerara, Haiti, and Barbados. These are the producing country of this type of rum, and it is. Then comes the flavored rum. There are some rums which are flavored. So infused with flavors after making the light rum. जैसे कि हमने बकाडी white देखी थी. After making the white rum, they add some flavor into it. Flavor of fruits such as mango, orange, citrus, coconut. Coconut की एक बहुत ही famous ये rum है, Malibu rum, which is used in a cocktail, that is pina colada. Some rum brands like Bacardi is the most famous, we all know. There is Bacardi, Captain Morgan, Havana Club, Old Monk, Ron Zacapa, Malibu. These are some important rum brands. Thank you so much.